This is the elevator at the Landmark/Cambria County Community Action in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. And take a look at this. It's a Montgomery square button, probably installed by Reliance if I were to guess. Take a second. It might be traction. I don't think I've ever been on a square button traction. Haven't been on many square in many years. I think that panel's been lowered. Emergency operation. Lower level. Here we go. Ooh, it is traction. My first square button traction, two-speed acceleration. Wow. Kind of dirty some box up here. Go up to 6. Turn you up. Can't believe I missed this elevator last time. Whoa. Here at 6. Back down to the lobby. There's a temperature scanner right there. Certificates in the office Montgomery logo. It's a basic Orange County. There's a hatch right there. Cambria County Community Action. No phone. Stuff in there. Stickers. Wow, this is epic. Here back at the lobby. Panel might have been lowered at some point for a bounce. Wow. Yeah, again, it was probably installed by Reliance if I were to guess. Their cause not going to be because they were Montgomery or General distributor. Then General is a Montgomery distributor, so I think that's probably how this came to be.